Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and this video is one to watch for sure. We're gonna be talking all about double cleansing. Double cleansing is essentially that. It's actually cleansing the skin twice, so you're getting better benefits from all of your skincare routine. So this was a trend that started in K-beauty and has made its way across to the States and has taken the skincare world by storm. It's definitely really important for you to do this, and there's multiple reasons why. Now, the first is obvious. Naturally, you're gonna get a much deeper cleanse when you're using two products. So starting with one product to sort of break down and emulsify any debris or makeup and oil that's been sitting on the skin throughout the day, and the second product to remove all of that and leave the skin feeling squeaky clean. Now, the second benefit of double cleansing is that you're actually gonna save a lot of time. It's a common misconception that using two products is gonna take you longer, but actually, you're gonna get to that squeaky clean feeling that we mentioned before so much faster by using two products. Now, the last benefit that you're gonna receive is better results from all of your skincare products because they're gonna be able to penetrate deeper and they're not gonna be focusing on any of the nastiness that's left on the face. So in this video, we're gonna talk about a couple sets or power duos, I like to call them, of cleansers that work beautifully together. We'll talk about a couple different scenarios and when you might wanna use them. So the first category that we're gonna talk about is essentially two products that are designed to give you a much deeper cleanse. This is for those of you out there that wear makeup that's really designed to be high performance, long wear. These two products are a power duo designed to really break down makeup, dirt, and debris and leave your skin really fresh and ready to go. This is from Dermalogica, a newer brand to Sephora. Welcome to the Sephora family. This is called the Pre-Cleanse. Now, this is essentially going to be an oil-based remover that's designed to break down the makeup. You'll notice that as you apply it to the skin, it kind of turns into a milky, frothy texture, and what that's doing is removing and breaking down oil and any oil-based products that are sitting on the surface of the skin. So this product is infused with a lot of good-for-you skin oils like borage seed, kukui nut oil, and apricot oil. So that milky emulsion is then designed to quickly and effortlessly really remove any of that surface debris and buildup that's been sitting on the skin. So this is really great for those of you that are wearing like any high performance products, waterproof products, anything that's really designed to give you a long wear. Then you're gonna follow that up with the second product or your second step in your double cleanse routine, and that's the special cleansing gel. Now this is designed to kind of give you that almost like a power wash effect after you've already broken down all of the dirt and buildup that's on the skin. Okay, now to show you how these two little lovies work together, I actually pulled some waterproof products that I'm actually gonna show you with a little demo on how to remove. This is gonna be a quick 1-2 example of how you might use these products together, and I'll show you in action how beautifully they work. So I've pulled two notoriously waterproof products. This is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil and Kat Von D's Liquid Lip. And I'm actually gonna mark up my hand quite a bit so you can see. Now, if you know these products, you know that they last for sure. Once you apply them, they don't go anywhere, don't budge. So give those a second to dry. Okay, so I went ahead and applied two waterproof products. You can see they've dried fully and they don't transfer. I mean, these are really waterproof, so they're sticking on there. First step that we're gonna do is use our pre-cleanse. The pre-cleanse is our oil-based cleanser that you can see is truly an oil, but is designed to really start to break down and emulsify the product. Now I'm using a light pressure to make sure that I'm sort of lifting any pigment and moving that off the skin. Now this is one of my favorite steps when I'm cleansing, especially when I've been wearing a full face of makeup because I look like a crazy person in the mirror. I just kind of take a moment to look in the mirror and just laugh at myself. It's so funny. Now you can even tell just by looking at it now that most of the pigment has really lifted itself from the skin and is ready to be removed. That's a good indicator. When you can kind of look at it and see that the pigment has really detached itself from the skin. So then you're good to remove it. Basically, you just want to take it off in one soft sweep. And you can already see that it's removed most of the product. Now, I use this kind of fuchsia pink by design because I wanted you to see that even using a makeup remover will oftentimes leave a little bit of product behind. So that's why it's important for you to go through with your second step, which is going to be your cleansing gel. So you can take a little bit of the gel go in, and you'll notice that this one kind of turns into a frothy foam as well. And it has a beautiful kind of like lemon, lavender smell. It's very, very soft. Kind of herbal smelling. So now you're ready to make a second pass with the washcloth, and that's gonna remove everything from the skin. Squeaky clean, prep canvas ready for our skincare. So the next do is actually going to be the Purify and Polish step from Sephora's J Beauty routine. So this is from Tatcha. We have the Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil, and this is the Tatcha Classic Rice Enzyme Powder. Now these two are going to work amazing together, and rightfully so. This is really designed to gently remove makeup and impurities, even waterproof makeup, and leave the skin feeling nourished and not stripped. It's infused with camellia oil, which is a beautiful light botanical oil, which leaves the skin feeling light and bouncy. It never feels greasy or heavy. I love this product. And then you finish with the enzyme polish. Now this is gonna use enzymes to softly break down dead skin and any buildup that's left behind after you remove the makeup. This is a really cool product because it's actually a powder that's activated with water. Now a pro tip is that you don't wanna leave this in the shower. I actually keep these separate and on my mantle because you want to avoid exposing this to water and activating it prematurely. So this one's really easy to use. All you're gonna do is pour about a dime-sized amount in the palm of your hand. So I essentially like to grab a little water with simply my fingertips and take a few drops and apply it into the palm of my hand. Then you can take the product and actually activate it by mixing it together. You'll notice that it turns almost into a froth. And that's what we're wanting. We're wanting like a light foam that you're gonna leave on the skin for just a few moments to kind of break down any of that like hard layer of dead skin cells. That's gonna kind of remove that layer and give you a really beautiful glow. Now these two products have been Sephora favorites for quite some time now and are definitely some of mine. If you haven't tried them out, be sure to give it a go. This little guy will change your skin. I'm talking revolutionizing. Definitely give them a try. Now the next two products are really designed to give you a deep but gentle clean. So this product is really great for people with sensitive skin or who are looking to transition their routine to more of a green or clean routine. So first up from Pharmacy, we have the Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. This is beautiful. This product works like a dream. If you've tried it, you know it and you love it because it's got a cult following for sure. So this guy is infused with sunflower oils, which again, sort of break down the makeup. And then you also have papaya enzymes in there, which softly slough away dead skin cells with that enzymatic exfoliation. So really great for somebody who has, a sensitive skin or wants a product that is gonna act gently on the skin, but still wants that deep, nourishing clean. So it's really easy to do. All you want to do is scoop it out, and you're going to use this directly to dry face with dry hands. Now you'll notice that the product starts off as this beautiful minty green balm, and then as you apply it and warm it up on the skin, it turns into an oil. Again, those oils are what's breaking down and removing the makeup, softening the bonds that are holding them together. It smells amazing. It's got a beautiful botanical smell. So really refreshing as you're starting your routine. So for the second step in the double cleanse for the gentle routine, we're gonna be using the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Now this is infused with honey and hyaluronic acid. So that's really great for leaving the skin nice and nourished and not stripped or dehydrated after you removed all of those impurities. This is a beautiful cleanser. It's got an amazing smell. And again, that gel texture will leave the skin feeling nice and clean and fresh, ready for your skincare to follow. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you're sold on the idea of double cleansing, or at least you give it a try, because I can honestly tell you it'll definitely elevate your skincare game for sure. Now, if you're already double cleansing and you have some favorite products that you know and love, shout them out in the comment section below and let people know why you love them. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button so that way you'll be alerted when you're getting new videos sent to you. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.